Hello students, now we are going to learn one more important method in decision theory, that is a decision tree method. First we will see what is a decision tree. Decision tree is a pictorial representation of a decision matrix. It is a diagram in which the decision node is represented by a square and the states of nature node is represented by a circle. And from the decision node, the decisions, that is the course of actions or the acts, are emerged. Here the probabilities are written on each branch of the states of nature. Generally decision trees are used to evaluate decisions under the conditions of risk. Decision tree is actually a pictorial representation of a decision matrix, and when the probabilities are given, then this method is very easy to take a decision using EMV criteria. Now we can illustrate, that is how to draw a decision tree for a given payoff matrix or a given decision problem. Here example is given. Draw a decision tree for the following payoff table given below and suggest the type of biscuit that should be launched using EMV criteria. We have already known EMV criteria, how to use EMV criteria and take a best decision. Using that criteria and using decision tree method, we can suggest the best decision. Here the table is given. In that table, type of a product is given. Creamy biscuit and salty biscuit, two types of products are given, and sales in 1000 rupees is given. If sale may be high, sale may be average, or sale may be low. In the next coming day, we will not know whether this sale is high or average or low. So these are the states of nature. This is sale or demand, high, average, low are states of nature, and these are the decisions or acts. So out of these two decisions, creamy biscuit or salty biscuit, two types of biscuits are given. That is, a company wants to launch one type of biscuit and we have to suggest which biscuit is to be launched by a company, okay, using decision tree method, that is EMV criteria. Okay, see here the decision tree for the above problem is as follows. See here, two decisions, that is two actions are given, creamy biscuit and salty biscuit. So we have this is a decision node here, this is a decision node, and here this is a decision node, this is a decision node. From this decision node, decisions are emerged. So first decision is creamy biscuit and second decision is salty biscuit, okay. And then we have here this circle. The circles can represent a states of nature node. So these are the states of nature node, and initially this is a decision node. So these two are decisions, creamy biscuit or salty biscuit. So first state of nature is, that is first state of nature is high. So we have taken high here. This can be written in the branch of this states of nature node. This is one branch. And then average, this is second branch, and then low. See here, the states of nature are high, average or low. So we have written first branch high, so average and low. So for the high, sale is 20. For the average, for the creamy biscuit, sale is 30, and for low we have a payoff is 50. Okay, for the creamy biscuit. So we have written here for creamy biscuit, for the demand high we have 20 sale, for the demand average 30, for the demand low payoff value is 50. Okay. Similarly, for the second decision or salty biscuit or second action, again we have on one branch we have to write the states of nature high, average, these are the probabilities are written in brackets, average and low. For salty biscuit, if sale is high, then we have payoff is 30. If sale is average, then payoff is 25. If sale is low, then payoff is 35. Okay, then from this is actually the decision tree. This is the pictorial representation of this decision table. Now we are going to find the best decision using EME. So we have to calculate EME. So EME is just nothing but the EME for each course of action is just summation payoff into probability. Okay. So payoff is 20 here, probability 0.3 for the creamy biscuit and for states of nature high. So 20 into 0.36. Next for 30 into 0.5 is 15. 50 into 0.2 is 10. So addition of all these three, 6 plus 15 plus 10, this gives the EME for this course of action, that is selecting a creamy biscuit or launching a creamy biscuit. So EME is 31. Okay. Next, similarly we have calculated EME for the second decision, that is launching a salty biscuit. So 30 into probability 0.3 is 9, 25 into 0.5 is 12.5 and 35 into 0.2 is 7. So this comes out to be addition of all these is nothing but this is the EME for the second course of action, that is launching a salty biscuit. So this is 28.5. EME for launching salty biscuit is 28.5 and EME for launching creamy biscuit, that is first decision, is 31. So EME is maximum for launching a creamy biscuit. So decision is launching the creamy biscuit is the best act by using EME criteria. So in this way you can draw a decision tree and we can use EME criteria to suggest the best act. Thank you, students.